I am Lieutenant J.G. Biggs with 56.1. We are participating in Resolute Response, building a relationship with partner nations and exchanging information to increase our interoperability.
I'm Sergeant First Class Jordan Phillips. I'm with the 83rd Civil Affairs Battalion out of Fort Bragg, currently working with Task Force 5-6 in Bahrain. We're here in Lebanon on a subject matter expert exchange and Resolute Response. Some of the evolutions we participated in is VBSS with the U.S. Coast Guard and the Lebanese VBSS team. We've been practicing on taking down ships, target ships that are approaching the port too quickly. Divers have been working closely with the Lebanese divers, both in salvage and in an EOD capacity. And then there's also been an element for Master of Arms, have been training them in port security, both landside and seaside. Basically, it's an opportunity for us to get with the Lebanese Armed Forces and exchange information. We find out how they operate in these waters, and they give us some tips, and then we show them how we operate across the world. And then in the event of an emergency or a conflict, we can better work together because we've practiced and we've seen how each other operate.